In this video, I'll show you how to create a Ticketmaster account. First of all, open your browser and type Ticketmaster into the search box. Click on the first link that appears, which will direct you to the Ticketmaster website. Once you're on the home page, look at the upper right side of your screen. You'll see the Sign In or Register option. Click on it and you'll be directed to the Sign In page. Since you want to create a new account, click on the Sign Up option. Next, you'll need to fill out the registration form. Start by entering your email address and then create a strong password. After that, enter your first and last name. You'll also need to select your country and type in your zip code. Once you've filled out all the required information, click on the Next button. Now, you'll need to verify both your email address and phone number. First, click on Verify My Email. Ticketmaster will send a one-time code to the email address you provided. Open your email inbox, find the email from Ticketmaster, and copy the code. Then, go back to the Ticketmaster screen, paste the code into the verification box, and click Confirm Code. Your email will now be verified. Next, you need to verify your phone number. Click on Add My Phone and enter your phone number, selecting the correct country code. Ticketmaster will send a verification code to your phone via SMS. Enter that code over here. Once both your email and phone number are verified, your Ticketmaster account will be created. You can now use it to buy and sell tickets, check event details, and manage your bookings easily. That's how you can create a Ticketmaster account.